In today's video, I'm going to share with you a concept that will absolutely revolutionize all of your marketing. My name is Tracy Reuter, and I'm the CEO and founder of Divine Social. We are an Instagram and Facebook ad agency, and we specialize in helping our clients get their message, get their story, get their calls to action in front of the right people at the right time. So what is this approach that's going to revolutionize all of your marketing? Well, it's called the 5 levels of awareness, and this was pioneered by Eugene Schwartz in a book called Breakthrough Advertising several years ago, like decades ago, but it's still to this day absolutely incredible. And I find that the best companies, the companies that are doing the best with their marketing, that are growing and scaling and getting to the level of success that they want to be at, are the ones that are taking this approach. They're taking this philosophy into, it's not even a philosophy, it's a principle. They're taking these principles into account when they're designing their marketing. So what are the 5 levels of awareness? Well, it starts with the bottom of the barrel. This is going to be the coldest of cold traffic. The first level of awareness are people who are completely unaware. They're unaware that they have a problem. They're unaware that there's a solution. They don't know that they don't know that they don't know. Okay, that is the coldest of cold traffic, and it is, without a shadow of a doubt, it is the hardest to convert. So that's number 1. They don't know that they have a problem, they don't know there's a solution, and they don't really care. Level 1. Level 2, the second level of awareness. These are people who know that they have a problem. They've realized that they have an issue that they need solved, or they have a desire that they want fulfilled, and they just don't know how to do it. They don't know the solution to their problem. They don't know where to go. They don't even know that a solution exists. Level 2 is still considered cold traffic, but it's less difficult to penetrate than that first level of awareness. So level 2 would be that they are problem aware. Okay, so level 2 is problem aware. Level 3, now these are people who are problem aware, and so they know that they have a problem, and they know there's a solution. They just don't know what solution. They don't know whose solution. So they know they have a problem, and they know there's a solution. This becomes easier and easier. This would be your typical cold traffic on social platforms if you were running ads. Like, say for example, if you're running an Instagram ad or you're running a Facebook ad, these would be a little bit easier to convert, because these are people who, again, they know they have a problem, they know there's a solution, they just haven't found the right one. The 4th level of awareness are people that know they have a problem, they know a solution exists, and they know your solution exists. Okay, they know about you. They're just not ready to make a decision. They're not 100% sold on your solution. So this is going to be in the traffic. If you're doing temperatures of traffic, this would be warm traffic. They know about you already, right? They know that there's a problem, they know there's a solution, and they know you have a solution. So this is warm traffic. The higher up, as I start to describe these, right, you're probably noticing the higher up in the levels of awareness, the easier or more likely conversions are going to be. And the 5th and final level of awareness is somebody who knows they have a problem. They know a solution exists. They know about your solution. They know your solution is right for them. They're waiting for the right moment, the right deal, the right offer. So what does understanding all of these different levels of awareness, how is this going to impact and revolutionize your marketing? Now, understanding this and starting to craft messages based on these different levels of awareness, whether it be in your paid traffic, your Instagram ads, your Facebook ads, your blog posts, guest spots on podcasts, videos like this. By understanding these levels of awareness, you can speak to the people at different levels with different messaging. Talking to someone that doesn't know that they have a problem, that there is a solution that exists, they don't know about you, you have to start at an educational point where you're helping them to see, you're helping them to discover that this is a problem that they never knew that they had. Your marketing, your messaging is going to be completely different to that person than it would be to somebody who knows that they have a problem, no solution exists, but they've never heard of you before. Totally different kinds of conversations. If you take these things into consideration and you start crafting marketing messages, so in our case, we use these 5 levels of awareness in our agency when we're crafting campaigns for clients. By using these different levels of awareness, we are able to create specific campaigns that allow our clients to scale horizontally. You see, most people, when they start to try to grow their business using advertising or even marketing, they get into that place where people know about them, or know that they have a problem, right? The levels 3, 4, and 5. So people who know they have a problem, know a solution exists. People who know about your solution, and people who know about it and want to buy it, but are just waiting for the right time. Marketing to those 3 levels can be the absolute easiest because you're not having to jump the Grand Canyon to help somebody understand that they need what you have. All right, so if you start crafting campaigns for all 5 of those, you're gonna actually start to build a greater and greater list of people who you could potentially sell to. Your audiences are gonna grow, and you're gonna start to find that it's easier and easier to close business at levels 3, 4, and 5 because you've been speaking to people at level 1 and level 2, and you have a process for that. This is really, really important. I highly recommend, if you haven't read Breakthrough Advertising, it's a little bit difficult to get a hold of. It's been out of print for a really long time, but there's stuff floating around the internet. I highly recommend looking into seeing if you can get yourself a copy, but it is one of the foundational principles that we've built our company on. It's one of the foundational principles that we use to build all of our client strategies, and if you adopt and you understand these levels of awareness and you start thinking this way, it's going to completely change and revolutionize the way, the types of marketing and the way you put content out into the marketplace to grow and scale your business. Now, if you haven't yet downloaded our 3 pillars mini class, we've got a mini class that talks about how to use different levels, the different levels of awareness with the different types of campaigns. If you haven't gotten that yet, click on the link, it should be somewhere below, and definitely grab that. You want to find out, the more you can understand how to do this with your paid traffic, the better your business is going to be. It's very, very important, and it's gonna make the difference between you feeling like you are burning dollars and feeling icky in your social, or feeling like that you really have a machine, an investment that is producing. Every time you put $1 in, you're getting $1, $2, $3, $4 out. Everybody wants to have that. So make sure you click that link below. And then be sure to subscribe to this channel. I put content out like this every single week, and I want to make sure that you never ever miss it. We also have a playlist that I'll link here that has more videos on Instagram and Facebook advertising and how you can utilize these principles, these lessons to grow and scale your business. My name is Tracy Reuter. The best is yet to come, and we'll see you next time.